This is my DOA traffic light. It consists of three 555 oscillators configured as astable oscillators. This is the first one, the second and the third one. The first one is the most important. It controls the red LED, the green LED, but it controls this 555 and it controls this 555 here. During the on time of this 555, the red LED is powered on via this transistor here. This is the 5-volt voltage regulator. So, as I said, during the on time, the red LED is powered on via this transistor here, but this entire 555 circuit here is powered on during the on time of this 555 via this transistor here. This 555 here doesn't do anything during its on time, but during its off time, via this transistor here, it lights up the yellow LED. So the period of oscillation of this 555 here is squeezed in the on time of this 555 here. When the on time of this 555 here has elapsed, the red LED is turned off, this 555 is turned off, the yellow LED is turned off, and the green LED is turned on via this transistor here, and this 555 here is turned on via this transistor here. Now, this 555 here doesn't do anything during its on time, but during its off time, it inhibits the green LED and turns on the yellow LED. It inhibits the green LED via this transistor here and turns on the yellow LED via this transistor here. And in that way, it resembles a light pattern of a traffic light, of a real traffic light. This transistor here is NPN transistor because it turns on the red LED during the on time. This transistor here is also NPN transistor because it turns on the entire 555 circuit during the on time of this 555. But this transistor here is PNP transistor because it turns on the yellow LED during the off time, during the low time of this 555 here. This transistor here is also PNP transistor because it turns on this 555 here during the low time, during the off time of this 555 here. That's why this one is PNP transistor. This one is PNP transistor as well because it turns on the green LED during the off time of this 555 here. This transistor here, which turns on the yellow LED, is also PNP transistor because it turns on the yellow LED during the off time of this 555 here, and this transistor here is also PNP transistor because it turns off, it inhibits the green LED. So that was how the circuit works, short explanation. When we power it on, we should wait for a short blink of the green LED because I'm using discrete values for the components here. I cannot find components with continuous values, and we have to wait very short amount of time in order for the residual electrical charges in the capacitors here to synchronize between each other so that the whole circuit starts acting like a real traffic light. Now I'm going to turn it on. This doesn't count as a real light pattern of a traffic light. This doesn't count, this doesn't count. Now, after the green LED is turned off, the real light pattern will start. Yes, so now this is the real light pattern of a real traffic light. So, ready, set, and go. Now go. Now rite of passage still active, but with caution. Now stop. Ready, set, go. Now still go. Now the rite of passage is gone. now stop. And the whole pattern repeats itself during the whole time. Now the green LED is inhibited because the yellow was shining, and now the pattern repeats. So that's all. Thank you for watching.